The sun is just starting to set, and the way that it hits my apartment, it like, whew, just really comes at you. A little blinding if I'm honest. Hey guys, it's Jaclyn and welcome back to my weekly vlog. So today's Tuesday. I decided not to vlog yesterday because, you know, I came to the conclusion that this is gonna be a weekly vlog until I decide that some of my days are just too boring to include in the vlog. Like yesterday, I sat on my computer, I did emails and just did work. Like, you guys don't want to see that. Do you guys want to see that? No. Anyways, today's gonna be a busy day. I'm gonna film a video right now, but then I have to run out later tonight. It is Toronto Fashion Week, so I'm gonna go to a show and kind of go backstage and check it out and learn about all the trends with the hair and the makeup and the clothes, and really just try to become a trendier person because I'm not naturally. Wow, I just want to film my main channel videos here. Ooh, golden hour. Can you imagine though, I just started a video and I'm like, hey guys, it's Jaclyn. So today we're on the floor in my kitchen. We're gonna be doing a Lush haul today. Okay, so I just arrived at Toronto Fashion Week. It is day 2 today, but my first day. We're here for the Hendrix Rose show. But in better news, I've got Ashlyn here.
Hey, I finally made it.
Finally made it in the vlog. So hot back here.
I didn't use the blue. I didn't feel the blue was right. And then adding those hits of like yellow. Like I went to town with some colors.
I actually did makeup for Hendrix Row like 3 years ago now for Toronto Fashion Week. And that's when I was like kind of starting out as a makeup artist. And that was my first like fashion show that I had ever done makeup for. And it's just so crazy now because the creative director now invites me to these shows. But I can't believe that it's like come full circle and I get to take my friends. Show number 1 complete. When everyone knows that we're married, we're seated together. So cool. So I'm here at the Broadview Hotel. We're here with Smashbox and we're having a little girls' lunch. Hi! I don't know if I can get this all in one shot. The name of this one though, Kale My Vibe. I'm really here for that. Wait, what is that?
I have no clue, honestly.
It looks like it's got ceramic pieces on top, but in a good way.
Oh, those are bits of meringue.
Oh.
I know what I want.
Amanda's trying to get an Instagram in here and it's hilarious. Oh, that neon up there is really cute.
Like literally in that picture, there you can see the neon.
Okay, whatever you want, girl. You know I'm your Instagram husband. Okay, this is hairstyle number 2. How cool is this? Like, I wish I could just wake up and do this every day. So cool. Look at this little setup we got going here. If I could actually do this on myself, I would wear my hair in braids every single day. This is insane. These ones look so cool. What? People always ask me why I love Lush so much, and this is why. They do campaigns like this. So I have some face wash marinating on my face right now. Don't be distracted by that. I had a really lovely day today. Going out to lunch with a bunch of friends was really, really nice. But I'm not gonna lie, this like dreary, I mean it's nighttime right now, but this dreary and rainy, dark weather has just been putting me kind of in a slump the past few days. So yeah, I'm just gonna go have a bath and read a book and just kind of relax for a little bit and try to get myself out of this funk because nobody likes feeling like this. I actually got sent a couple of roses in the mail, which I think was a super delayed Valentine's Day gift, but they were all dried out and kind of dead when they got here. So I let them sit out for the last couple of days and I'm gonna put them in my bath. See, I'm romantic to myself sometimes. Last night was really good. I ended up giving myself a little pedicure and just kind of pampering myself and, you know, just treating myself with some extra love. And today I did a bunch of work this morning, so I'm feeling really good. And I was kind of craving some cookies, but I have literally no ingredients in my house right now. But peanut butter cookies are very easy to make. You just need like peanut butter, flour, and sugar, and that's basically it. Do you know how hard it is to mix with one hand as you're filming? This is just spinning around.
To a podcast, to writing code. Yeah.
I've been obsessed with Cody Ko's podcast. It's just too funny. So I'm actually here up at Blue Mountain again. I know I was just here last month, but y'all know I'm a Blue Mountain fanatic, so I can't get enough of this season. Anyways, I'm here with EOS and we're celebrating the launch of a new medicated lip balm, which is really exciting. So we've been snowboarding. We got here yesterday and I just snowboarded all day. So I didn't bring my vlog camera because I don't want to break it and fall. But if you want to see what the Blue Mountain vibe is about, I'll link the vlog up above. So check that out first. But today's gonna be super fun because we're going to the Scandinavian spa, which is this like super exclusive, like really bougie spa. And normally you're not allowed to take pictures or video, but today they're letting us like go in and like take pictures and enjoy the experience. Anyways, I just finished packing up. I have to check out in like literally 3 minutes, so I'm gonna make this room tour very, very quick. But look how huge this hotel is. Okay, so you walk in, little kitchenette, how lovely. There's a little family room, little TV. Here is this king-size bed that I slept on last night, which was glorious. There's the bathroom in here. But then, the best part is when you come outside, look at how stunning this is. So last night at like 11 at night, we were in the hot tub. It was magical. And just having this beautiful backdrop of mountains and the Blue Mountain Village is, so unreal. Okay, I am running late. I need to check out. Oh, almost fell there?
Come on, little angel.
I don't know if I'm ready. Oh my goodness.
You're ready.
I'm ready, baby. Okay guys, we're at the spa. It is absolutely beautiful here. We're having a little photo shoot with all the waterfalls. I'm gonna go though because we're not allowed phones and stuff, so I'm gonna get in trouble. Peace. So there have been some deliveries. I'm gonna open up and see what's inside. And yes, I'm wearing a bathrobe right now. Do not be distracted. This is from Lulu's. First up, it's this cream off the shoulder sweater, and it's got like wide arms with little slits on them. It's super, super cute. Super, super cute. I feel like I'm gonna call everything super, super cute, but it is. So there's that. Next up, there's this mini faux leather skirt. It's gonna make me look a lot edgier and cooler than I am. Then we got some pants. These are inspired by Dua Lipa. I feel like she always wears a good like menswear inspired trouser with a cool little crop top and sneakers. And she can pull it off, I'm sure, 10 times better than I can, but I'll give it a go. Then there's this pair, which is more of like a cropped length. And this might be my favorite of them all. It's actually a little set, and it kind of reminds me of something inspired by Reformation. Actually, I'm going on vacation really soon, somewhere warm, so I feel like this will get a lot of good use. Thank you so much, Lulu's, for sending those along. It was very sweet of you. I cannot wait to style them and get wearing them. These are the Unison lashes, and these ones look so, so lovely. So these are synthetic lashes, which is great because I prefer synthetic. And then I think this is lash glue. Yeah, lash glue. So I'm gonna test these babies out. I'll let you guys know what I think of them. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram stories, I normally do follow-ups of products and things like that all over there. So shameless plug, go follow me on Instagram. And then last but not least, this made its way into my mailbox and I am so, so excited. I've been seeing all of the press releases and all of the posts, and every single Instagrammer talking about this. This is the Petite Heat. Now, I've been a huge fan of the Urban Decay Naked regular size heat palette, but this one is all matte shades. I'm sure you guys have seen this by now. Ooh, these feel buttery. Oh, this ear cuff has been hurting my ear. You know what? I have a strong desire to get my ears all re-pierced. I used to have like a bunch of piercings up here, and I had a couple of cartilages. I actually had both my cartilages, not at the same time, but I've had a lot of earrings and piercings in my life, but not anymore. I only just have my little ears pierced, and I have a desire to get my ear all decorated up again. But I think re-piercing old scar tissue and old piercings is just a bad idea, but I have the urge. Will I do it? Will I act upon it? I don't know. Should I act upon it? Comment down below. I guess I will share some exciting news with you guys. I'm actually heading to New York Fashion Week this week, which is insane. Like Alexander Wang and like all these real cool designers and shows, and it's like, what? I'm going there? I'm actually going with Amanda. Amanda's going actually with a brand, and she kindly brought me along. So this would not be happening without Amanda. So shout out to you, boo. I'm just kind of freaking out because I am not a fashionable person, and now I'm going to New York Fashion Week, which is like huge, and people are gonna be super cool there. And I truly don't have anything to wear. So that's the thing that's gonna be happening this week. Wish me luck. Hope it goes well. We will see.